Welcome to Shared Contacts YouTube channel. I'm Steph, and today we are going to see how to delegate access to your contacts using the Google Workspace Contact Delegation feature. This feature allows Google Contacts users to let their workmates access their contact list. To delegate access to your Google Contacts, it's very simple. Open Google Contacts, click on the gear icon, click Delegate Access, add your colleagues. Here, Michael is adding Alyssa and Daryl. Save. And voila! When Alyssa signs in to her Google Contacts, she can find Michael contacts under Delegated Contacts section. She can find them, modify them, or delete them. She can also create new contacts on behalf of Michael. Google Contacts delegation feature is a good option to have someone managing your contacts for you. However, this is not the best solution for sharing contacts with your team, as they will not be able to access or use them much. Indeed, they will be able to see the contacts only in the Delegated Contacts section. For instance, if Alyssa searches the contact Stella in Google Contact search bar, she will not be able to find her. The only solution will be for her to scroll down all Michael's contacts until she finds her. If she wants to send an email to Stella, she will not find her either in Gmail autocomplete. She can't share a Google Doc with her, or invite her to lunch through a calendar event, or find her in other applications connected to her Google account. Another limitation is that your delegates will have full access to your contacts. Michael will not be able to restrict Alyssa's access to read-only, for instance. Also, Michael will not be able to share specific labels with his team. If he wants to share his contacts with a lot of colleagues, he will need to add them one by one because contacts delegation to Google Groups is not supported. Also, be aware that if someone deletes your contacts by mistake, you will have only 30 days to restore them. If you want to take down these limitations, we recommend using a plugin like Shared Contacts for Gmail. In conclusion, we can say that the Google Contacts delegation feature, while being very limited, can be pretty handy if you need someone to maintain your contacts on your behalf. Thanks for watching.